Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this channel. It's your boy Sammy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a market structure shift. Okay, there are some things that we need to identify before we talk about the market structure shift. The first thing is you guys know that I'm a trader. Okay, I love to follow the trend. Trading controversial with the trend is actually not cool. In case you're wondering, this is gold on the 4 hours time frame. So we want to always make sure that we align with the what with the trend. I noticed that 95% of the time my profit comes from trading with the trend. So why not? Why not trade with the guys that have the what big liquidity? Okay, so let's identify what market structure shift is. Gold has actually been bullish. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is identify what the trend is doing. Identify what the trend is doing. So let's start from here to analyze. So is it we have this stuff here, a break of structure. I can call it a market structure shift. Now, the biggest secret you want to take note of is this. You want to spot the last order block. What is an order block? Another block is where pending orders are resting. Okay, you want to spot the last order block that led to the market structure shift. And I'm telling you one of it, and the second one is this. We have two other blocks here. Okay, two other blocks here. This is the last one. Now you may be saying, Sammy, why are you not considering this last order block here? Well, for me, I like my shift to actually be somewhere around here, mostly if I know that the market is actually really liquid. Now, the second thing is this. You want to be able to see price having a fair value gap, okay, that are going to be coming back to fill. So we have two fair value gaps here, and we don't know which of them the market is going to be respecting. Okay, I'll zoom this closely. Okay, just stick with me. Just want to show you what happened here. Okay, we have the last one. If this is your first time watching our channel, would like you to subscribe, like, and also hit the comment section. Okay, so this is the fair value gap. If you notice, you will see a gap here in between these candles that needs to be filled. The same thing applies here. It needs to be filled. So price is bound to come back and fill it in the future. Reason why they did not give us a cool pullback. See, this pullback here is insignificant. This is a double bottom. So some folks were entering here to buy and they're going to be run out. Okay, they're going to be what? Run out. So what we want to do is to watch what price did in the future. Now this shows a break of structure again, which confirms that we are actually bullish. Confirms that we are actually bullish and we are still going to be going up because the double top there has been created. Now what did we see happen in the future? Price came back to the order block. Now which of them did it come back to? It came back to the first one. Yeah, let's take these other ones out. Price came back to it, and that shows that the trend continues to what? Becoming bullish. Let me take this out. Okay, so we can see that we actually what? Return back to the first order block. So we are returned what? Back to what? Being bullish. Another thing happened here. If you notice closely, you will see a change of character here. There's a change of character here. Sorry, change of character happened here. Forgive my trend line. It's crazy. Yeah, so what did price do? It spiked up above here and it came back down. Now ask yourself a simple question: which is the last order block here? This is. Because why? It has a fair value gap. Okay, let's identify this as a change of character. Yeah, this order block here. So like I said, I like it to be significant most times, but let's say it is this, is this. So price actually went up and it came back down to this week, the week here, and this was the entry up. So market structure shift is just something as simple as this. It's just something as simple as this. You want to see something like this. You want to see price run out liquidity down and then go back up. This becomes our shift. Now we identify this one that led to the break here as a zone that price is going to be coming back down to before going up. Why? The market is bound to give us what? A good entry. A good entry to identify that zone as our what market structure shift. Now let's see if we can check something else as a good example for this. Let's go down to 1 hour. Let's go down to 1 hour. Okay. Now I explained something here in the last video that I said this was a market structure shift. Okay, but the price did not come back down here immediately. It went up to break above this zone here, to break above it, to take liquidity that was resting here, and later came back in the future to tap on it, went up. But this shows that the market has changed direction in this context, so we can actually get involved. But that's what happened most times. An example of it is this also. Now let's look for another shift. Okay, now if you look closely very well, you will see something like this. This market was bearish momentarily. It was bearish momentarily. Now, one thing you need to notice is that market structure actually work with trend line most times. Why? If you notice, we had a shift here. We had a shift here. Okay, if it wasn't a shift, price would have respected somewhere around here and pulled back. Okay, but it actually came above it, which shows that it's a shift. And what did we get next? Remember what I said, we have to come back to this zone, the first order block that led to the shift up. That's what we're going to be coming back to, and that was what happened. We got our entry and boom, we're up. Price does this all the time. Okay, it does this all the time. Now a quick one, we're taking a Profem challenge. If you're having issues about it, we're having a challenge today on the 30th of January 2025. We're actually hosting a free training for guys that have been having challenge in passing their phase 1 or their phase 2 of the challenge. It's a free class. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. You can actually click on it and gain access to our community on Telegram, so you can be part of the training and gain value from it. Okay, that will be all about market structure shift. In case you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment in the section below.